What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo from back with y'all with another video from Smokin CarFun YouTube channel. Just so y'all know, today my son is getting ready to do some more stuff in my truck for me. It's about that time, so I'm gonna let y'all get into it. The video, not a whole lot of me talking today, but I do want to wish you all a wonderful day, and hopefully everybody having a positive and motivated day, as I always say. So with that being said, man, let's go ahead and get into this truck video and get some work done. So as y'all can see, my son and took my doors off, and it is dirty in there, y'all. It's dirty. We gonna clean all this off before we put that back in there. So we getting ready to do an upgrade on the speaker change. So we got some kickers, 6x9s that's getting ready to go up in here. As y'all can see, we got a little new interior. We ain't gonna talk about that right now. But my son is getting ready to go ahead and switch that out for me. Why you don't use it? Look at the bent screwdriver that he getting ready to try to use. How about you get the screwdriver? Where's the screwdriver? Where's the yellow screwdriver though? See, you get on my nerves. See? He don't never bring his tools back with him. You know? And then wonder why my tools are missing. Because kids. Key word, it's not back here, so it's missing. So therefore, he is gonna go get my tools and regather them up. While he's sitting here trying to look at that.
Hey, it's
you know how much he be done already screwed out of there?
I got a whole screw out already.
Right. He would have already had 3 screws out by the way he's screwing right now. He's screwing that like it's a goddamn wrench.
So shut the fuck up.
But we're going to look at all this change that fell out the door of this truck. So, I'm just going to say to my man who I bought the truck from, there's a lot of change, my brother. Yeah, just so y'all know, nah, why would I drop change in my door? I don't drop money down in my door, so I know it wasn't me.
But you dropped money on the floor.
Look, move your foot. Look at these quarters. All this just fell out the truck when he took the door off.
Then you drop money on the floor. Why not in the door?
I don't want to drop it in my door. I'd rather have it in my floor. I gotta take my whole door off to get change. Look, over here, more change fell out my door. Hey, look, this is good car wash money. You know what I mean, y'all? Car wash money. You know, some more cigarillos or something. Yeah. I mean, it's changed. It just fell out. As soon as it fell out, all you heard was jackpot. I mean, look, I'm still picking quarters up. Wait a minute, y'all. Look. Still picking change up. It's a kid that called my name. They can wait. It ain't important. But yep. Look at all that change. Oh snap! Where we at? Here we go. All this change just fell out the door.
Go count it, dude.
Huh?
Go count it.
Don't go count it. It's like $2.50 worth of change.
More than that.
I'm looking at $1.20, $1.50 in quarters. And 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's $2. $1. Hey, look. That's a lot. Who can guess how much change was in this door?
Find my next video.
Comment down below and y'all tell me. Let's get rid of that. Alright, now y'all tell me how much change is this? Just a random guess, y'all. Just a random guess. I'll tell y'all my guess later after somebody else guess in the comments. So, now you got that out. So, you took the speakers out. This is the wire that we might have. I think I have a piece for that. But we want to test fit the kicker and make sure that it fits. See if it fits before we have to hook up the thing. See the hose line up.
bit wider.
Just it's a tad wider.
Tad wider. Wait.
Can you get the bottom one? Should be able to get screws in. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. You should be able to. I think we got it, y'all. We are golden.
As the last name suggests.
As the last name suggests, as my son say. So, being as though that does work.
You say as I say. Where did I get that from, Dad? Where'd I get that from?
That's from me, legally, like I say it all the time. So the kickers will work in here. Now we just gonna go grab the piece for it, so that way we can hook it up. Hopefully I got the same piece that'll match up to that. So give me a minute and I'll get back to y'all. Battery getting low as always, so we're gonna do this real quick.
I already put the cord on there.
He put the cords on it for the time being until I get my clip. Dang. So I get my clip for it. I gotta get a new clip. So in the meantime, we cut that off and put that on there. So we're gonna have him hook that one up. Then we'll turn the truck on, see how it sounds. Oh, the truck is on.
Mm-hmm.
All
Magnet.
right.
Where do I put the cans?
Hook my boy up with 2 more horsepower per tire with some valve stems. Yeah, see? He got 2 more horsepower each valve stem. Woo, truck gonna go even faster now, boy. That's 8 horsepower right there.
Beating the 5.9 didn't mean nothing.
I appreciate that shit. It's still sick. She's still sick and I ain't get on it. I'm afraid to get on it. But I was running with him at 105, I was told. My wife told me I hit 100 and some change on with the Ram. With the Ram, so my son got the speaker hooked up in. Now he's getting ready to install this one. That one's hooked up right now. So work in progress for the big black Ram to look a lot better than what she's looking and sound better. Yes, indeed. She got a good bath yesterday.
That's a helicopter.
So it ain't perfect, but she clean. Cleaner than what it was. Yeah. Yeah, new speakers. I'm excited. Yo, what's going on, homie? Just getting out that good work. Yep, and he getting it in, taking the doors off.
I said before I put
He took the doors off and now he putting the speaker in. Huh?
Before I put the other speaker in, I want to clean this.
You want what?
We gotta clean this.
I know, I got the rag over there for you.
I gotta take the other speaker back out.
My name is Rosemary,
Okay.
and I'm a singer.
Or do you want me to leave it in? Just
I take my music listening very seriously.
It wasn't dirty
That's
inside
like
where the
my
speaker
time.
was
That's
at.
something you can't
It's
get
dirty
back.
around it.
Feel the freedom.
Just all the
to
dust.
be in
Didn't no money fall out?
No.
Damn. Ain't no money fall out that side. He hoping $1,000 gonna fall out of there from the people who used to own the truck. Okay, so now we all hooked up, and now we're just getting ready to wipe down the doors. We will do the front doors later, but as y'all can see, I do have the double din installed with the red trim around it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down for him to go ahead and reinstall my doors. So I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. Doors all cleaned up, looking real nice and clean with the kickers in it. Nice and cleaned up over here with the kicker in it. Now we're just gonna have my son reinstall the doors for me. So while I magic, we in good business on the '02 Dodge Ram 1500, 3rd gen. Yeah. Upgraded speakers. Let me know what y'all think.